bandits running inventory late. Forklift crime, manager on the phone. Trash can king saying his land ain't your own. Wolves in the outskirts, foxes downtown. Tail lights flashing while the skyline drowns. Glass towers shiver, concrete cars dust. Roots in the sidewalk saying return to rust. You drew straight lines on a crooked earth. Crossed every river, forgot its worth. Nature keeps the lease, baby, read the sign. You can fence the garden, but you can't stop time. Steel gets tired and money turns thin. The wild comes laughing and walks right in. Crows on the wire, rain in the server room, sparks in the fire, vines on the billboard selling endless youth, moss on the logo spelling out the truth. So tell me, Captain Future, polished suit and smile, when we colonize in space next week after lunch, soon as the raccoons leave our farm. Nature keeps the lease, baby, read the sign. You can drill the mountain, but you can't out-climb time. Plans in a boardroom, dust in the hall. The wild don't hurry, it outlasts all. Fox in the alley, moon in his eye. Wolf by the ring road, watching cars fly by. A raccoon in the warehouse counting every crate. Universe waiting, nature ain't late.